support yourself, because who else is gonna support you? Hey guys! Can you throw that away? My god, Joey is so bad at taking pictures. It's not your fault at all. Oh my god, I broke my nail.
Karma.
I was recording that whole argument. Welcome back. Nothing's new.
What do you mean? We got Thai food. That's new.
Got Patsy Ew, Thai teas. I only ordered one, but the girl was nice and gave me an extra one. And a yellow curry. You got all these cute little shots. We're gonna open them to little surprises. Ugh. I'm going to set up a little dessert station for hot chocolate. Got some candies for it. The best chocolates ever. It's gonna look cute there. I have a white tablecloth, kind of emulate snow. I'm gonna keep this cup so Lynn got some for me. I'm gonna have a little hot chocolate stand. Guys, it's almost time for the party. I'm still not dressed yet. I have no pants on. Well, I do. I have a dress. But Joey's deep frying the egg rolls. I hate deep frying things. It scares me. They look delicious. We're making garlic knots as well. And I obviously only have half a makeup done.
And I didn't get the memo of the ugly sweater.
You guys get to finally meet my cousin, Skyle. He's the first one to come, so he gets to choose whether or not he's gonna take a fireball shot.
Yes.
You are? Dang, he's here to party. They are warm though.
They just drink it out?
Yeah. Chiseled. Easy. I'm all ready. This is my finished look. I got my cute little deer antlers. I'm kind of proud of myself putting this together. And then we got Joey cooking up some steaks in his ugly sweater. We got some egg rolls. I made some bom nước mắm, bánh hoài, and right in the oven we got some pork belly crisping up. Oh, it looks so good. Of course, everyone's late. It's currently 6:36. We're gonna see who comes first. I'm gonna do this for TikTok actually. It's a trend where you say, I invited my friends at 6:30. Let's see who comes first, last, whatever. So we'll see. Not a single soul is here other than my family and Joey. But the food looks delicious. Still obsessed over my little hot chocolate station. We got rolls that are rolls, no comment there. Bánh hoài,
How does it taste? Good?
steak, heo quay, cháy giò, tôm heo, linen yuck. And they brought more food. Look at that. Chef Lynn with the air fryer.
Okay, so we have Tan and Ashley.
For toasting and caroling out in the snow. There'll be scary ghost stories and tales of the glories of Christmases long, long ago. It's the most wonderful time of the year. There'll be much mistletoeing and hearts will be glowing when loved ones are near. It's the most wonderful.
Members of the LGBTQ
What's that mean?
Wait, I'm right here.
What does that mean?
What? I didn't write that.
Who wrote it? I wrote
It's Jordan.
Caroling out in the snow. There'll be scary ghost stories and tales of the glories of Christmases long, long ago. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the most wonderful time. Yes, the most wonderful time. All the
Hey guys, I realized I never had an outro for this week's vlog. So I want to say thank you so much for watching. I had such a blast with my friends. The party was amazing. I was not in the state to vlog anymore. Thank you, Scal, for vlogging for me. I'll put the link for my TikTok down below. You can see how late my friends got there. But regardless how late, it was absolutely amazing. We had a blast. I love them. Their handles will be down in the description box as well. Follow them, give them love. And yeah, see you next week. Bye.